Hey, grade sevens, we're back and we're going to be talking about how you change an improper fraction to a mixed number. Okay, so what is an improper fraction? An improper fraction is where the numerator, okay, the top number, is larger than the denominator. Okay? So sometimes you'll see this, and as I said, it refers to what's called an improper fraction because we don't like to see this. Okay? So how do we convert that? Well, it is going to take some division skills, but what we're essentially asking is how many times 3, the denominator, can go into 19. Okay? So there's a couple ways of doing this. I mean, you could do mental math, or if you need, we use our division skills. Okay, so we can ask ourselves, well, how many times does 3 go into 19? Okay, so let's count up by 3s, and let's get as close as we can to 19 without going over. Okay, so 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. Okay, so how many times was that? We would think, well, it was 6 times. Okay, so 3 times 6, we're just doing our long division skills, which leaves us with a remainder of 1. Now you can use this to help you in that this would become your denominator, this becomes your whole number, and this becomes your new numerator. Okay, so putting that together, 19 over 3 would equal 6, right, whole number, and 1 over 3. Now, how could we do a quick check is just to reverse those steps to make sure that we've done this correctly. Okay, so in the previous video, we learned how to change a mixed number into an improper, right? So we WD plus N. Okay, so we could really quickly say, well, 6, the whole number, times 3, the denominator, is 18, plus 1 would leave us with 19 over the original denominator, which is 3. So we have, in fact, converted this correctly. Okay, let's do one more. 27 over 4, so 27 fourths. Again, what we're going to do is do our long division skills, okay, and ask ourselves, well, how many times does 4 go into 27? We can count up, right? And again, use your mental math, but try to count up by 4s and get as close as you can to 27 without going over. So you can think about it like this, making your list of multiples: 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, and 28. Okay, we don't want to go over, so we should actually stop right here. So how many times did I count up by 4s? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. So I'm just going to change colors here. So 4 goes into 27 6 times, which would give you 24. And I'm just going to change colors again. 27 take away 4 gives you a remainder of 3. Okay, and again, this becomes your whole number. This becomes your numerator, and this was the denominator. So 27 over 4 would become 6, right? And 3 over 4. And we can do one more quick check by converting this back to the improper fraction to make sure we did it correctly, right? 6 multiplied by 4 is 24, plus 3 is, again, 27 over 4. So I have done this conversion correctly. Okay, go ahead and give one a try. I'll leave one here. How about we say 26 over 3. Again, please practice and never hesitate to ask your teacher or watch these videos again to make things more clear.